best type of insulation?
So what is the best type of insulation? Wood fibre, obviously wood fibre. I mean, obviously it's location and scenario specific. You wouldn't use wood fibre lining a basement or underground or something like that. But above ground, on balance, wood fibre's got a whole load of properties which are amazing, both for internal and external wall insulation.
Yeah, I'd agree. I think wood fibre tends to be the most broadly performing insulation material, where it's very good across a really wide range of categories. There are some instances where we might augment it with something else or choose something else entirely, but for the most part, for most of the external envelope, walls, roof, floor, I'm looking to incorporate wood fibre. Yeah.
Go on then, next one.
How thick should insulation be? So it really depends on the context and where it's being used, but if we take internal wall insulation in retrofit, then from a thickness of about 40 mil with wood fibre insulation, then you're compliant. It might be that you increase the thickness, but that's usually the sort of minimum thickness.
And externally, 120 mil is what gets you below the 0.3 threshold typically of wood fibre, and then upwards from there, assuming you've got space, with all the caveats of proper detailing, plinth, meeting up with all the other insulation layers in the building.
Yeah, and in roofs, usually sort of minimum 200, 250 mil.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Can I install insulation myself? Well, the answer to that is yes. We do get plenty of DIYers. You should be a competent DIYer, but we've also got a fibres platform for people to reference so they can learn all about wood fibre and they can go through it step by step and make sure they do a good install. So yeah, absolutely, DIYers can do it.
Yeah, and if you are looking to save cost on a retrofit or self-build, that is one area where a sort of reasonably capable DIYer can do a very good job actually, and it maybe doesn't require quite so much specialist skills as the plastering or maybe the airtime as well. So.
Absolutely.
Does insulation prevent mould growth? So whenever you're considering insulation, you have to think about the impact on moisture, and that requires careful consideration depending on the component. But a well-insulated surface tends to have much higher interior surface temperatures. Generally speaking, that's a very good way of abating surface mould growth.
Absolutely.